I was not able to visit her po kasi nung November 1 because, I was sick for a week no,
Hmm.
before
Mm.
I was sick for a week po. So, before I go to Manila, I made sure to visit po my mom and I prayed to her po and I actually, asked for a sign. Sabi ko, if ever man po na pumasa ako, bigyan mo ako ng sign. And then,
Mm.
I actually sabi ko po nun, kung mag-top man ako or magpumasa ako, as yun yung sign po ay kung may makikita akong dadaan na ano, na ibon.
Hmm.
And then,
Okay.
as I uttered that word or kaya yung sa kanya pong grave, there were two birds na nakita ko as in and I take it as a sign na my mother, really helped me, achieve
Mm.
Mhm.
this achievement.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's nice.
you know what they say, they never really leave
Oh
us.
yeah.
'Di ba? Parang they're here. They're not here physically, but as long as they're there in your heart, they remain in your heart. They never leave.
But at the same time, it's a good thing that you asked your mom na to give you a sign at hindi dumalaw kasi baka maka-heart attack pa tayong lahat when talking about that. When
Okay
we
lang naman din yung dumalaw
I don't know,
actually.
Shana. I don't know.
Oh,
Okay
yeah.
na ako sa ibon.
I mean, I'm okay with my dad making dalaw.
No, 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 no.